technology is always a solution in the crisis. So technology will be really handy. There are multiple areas in which this technology would be adopted. One area is in the conduction of admission tests. The other area where technology definitely will play a most important role is in the learning space.
For online education to really become mainstream and enroll millions of students rather than hundreds of thousands of students, we need to have online degrees that are accredited by the various agencies.
My message to all the students and the higher education stakeholders is we need to double our efforts in this time in order to sustain and keep our economy afloat.
In India, we have to look at technology and education 4.0 as actually providing education to the uneducated, people who are not getting quality education.
Education 3.0 was nothing but technology driven. This is now going to be a permanent feature and is now going to figure in all the teaching learning activities of times to come.
A very good afternoon to everyone. I, Garima Bains, Assistant Professor of CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law, feels immense pleasure in welcoming you all in today's career counseling session on the theme Excelling the Realms After 12. I want to thank all my participants who have joined this session and also to College Dunia for this initiative of enlightening the students towards their career path. Students and my lovely attendees, you must be wondering that who we are and what we'll be going to interact with you all in today's session. So let's start with our today's interaction on that who we are. Our college got established in 2007 and with 14 years of academic excellence, we are amongst the topmost colleges in IP University, and it has been ranked by the various topmost magazines, be it topmost magazines including India Today, Competition Success, and many more. So I'll be taking it to you. I'll be taking you all to the tour of our landing page. So I request Ms. Bhumika to kindly, take us to the tour of a landing page. So students, if I talk about our college got established in 2007, and it gives me immense pride in saying that more than 2,500 students are presently studying in our college. We are having 3 years bachelor's course in BBA, BCA, BBA CAM and BCom honors, and a 5 years integrated course in BLLB and BBA LLB. If I talk about, we are having 6,000 alumni who are associated with us and bringing the rich laurels in getting innovative ideas in our college. Not only this, they're also creating wonders in their own field. We have conducted more than 3,000 campus placements and more than 1,000 academic activities, 1,000 distinguished guests, which includes our the reputed from ministers, from government officials, and from luminaries from legal field. If I talk about our college students, there are 5 major reasons of joining CPJ College. The first and the foremost reason is the state of art infrastructure we have. In CPJ College, we always believe that we should provide you the best state of infrastructure, because we know that students are coming from their places to the college, and we want to give them the comfort level. So we provide them the best of the comfort level so that they can able to focus all their energies into their studies. The second most important reason of joining our college is the practical based teaching methodology and industrial oriented curriculum. We believe that no doubt theoretical knowledges are important. No doubt your exams which are there in at the end of the term is very, very important. But putting your theoretical knowledge into the practical one also plays a very vital role. If I am learning about the packaging, branding, how will I come to know that what branding and packaging is happening, in which ways they are happening in the actual corporate world? For that, we organize a lot of industrial visits, a lot of academic visits for our students in every semester, so that the students can able to put their theoretical learning into the practical one. If I talk about the third major reason of joining CPJ College, is that we have a vibrant campus life for holistic development. Students, we believe that not only your intellect should be enhanced, but also your creative skill set should also get enhanced. For that, we are having our CPJ Cultural Society, which organizes various events, and in which there is different clubs, be it Sanskar club for dance, dramatics, be it your music club, dance club, literary, poetry club. So we ensure that students' creative skill set should nourish in every area. The fourth major reason is the global exposure through unique study abroad program. When everything is diversifying at a very fast pace, so we also ensure that our students should get interaction with the broad programs, wherein they can able to learn and understand what cultural diversity is. They can able to understand how it is happening in different countries. For that, we ensure that students go to their international trips, be it Dubai, Sri Lanka, wherein the students meet different student community in different universities, and they get the certificates after the 7 days of exchange programs. And most importantly, if I'm joining any of the professional course, I want a placement should happen, and I want the best placement should happen after 3 years and 5 years down the line, which is a forte of CPJ College, that we ensure 100% placement opportunities for you. Not only that, we train you accordingly that in every semester there is a personality development session. There is a Genesis cell who actually focuses on your, inject your personality development in such a manner that once in the 6th semester, when the students are, sitting for the placement, when they are actually interacting with the topmost companies like IBM, Genpact, Wipro, they're actually being trained accordingly. So these are the top 5 reasons of joining CPJ College. But you must be wondering that what we have done in the COVID time in 2020. So students, as when the country was stuck in because of the COVID and everything went at soup and nobody was aware about that how the things will happen. CPJ ensured that their students should not suffer, and for that we conducted the smooth functioning of the teaching part. We conducted the online classes. The examination happened online. Not only this, we also focused on our students' mental health, because during that time, everyone was going through some or the other difficulties in imbibing that whatever was happening, and then accepting the present situations. And for that, we ensured the mental health should be taken care of, and for that we organize various online counseling sessions for the students, various seminars on stress and anxiety. Not only this, we conducted various online workshops, webinars, guest lectures and conferences. When it used to happen physically, the corporate people used to come and give their guidances to our students. But during the lockdown and the COVID time, it was not hampered. We ensured that we connect our student community with actual real corporate world and what is new is happening during the COVID times. So this was all about our college, and most importantly, you can click on our landing page and see the 360-degree view of our college. And you can even visit our college, but with that 360-degree view, you can able to see the real view of our college campus. If I suppose I want to go directly to the library and want to check out how the library looks like, I can take my click towards the library and see it. If I'm a diehard fan of the dancing club and I want to see that where I'll be performing and doing my rehearsals, then you can directly go to the auditorium part. So with that one click, you can actually see the actual view of our college. So on this note, moving ahead to our next segment, but before moving ahead to our next segment, the technical team, Ms. Bhumika, will share a small connectivity video with all of you, because there will be a lot of student community who will be having something or the other in their mind that now how to reach CPJ College, because it's in Narela and it's too far. So this connectivity video will definitely help you out, students. It is not too far. It is very easy to reach our college. So over to you, Ms. Bhumika.
Welcome to CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law, Narela, Delhi. The campus is situated in pollution-free, strolling, lush-free ambience. The college is providing its scheduled fleet of buses that covers the entire stretch of Delhi and Sonipat. The classes start at 9 a.m. in the morning and ends at 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. It's a 15 minutes drive from Jahangirpuri metro station and 20 minutes from Rohini, Pitampura and other parts of northwest Delhi via Narela Barana flyover. You can also get a metro feeder bus service which runs between Narela and Jahangirpuri metro station. There is also a facility of regular
I
TTC
request
buses
all the
that exactly
participants to
drops
kindly
you opposite
mute
to the
themselves,
college main
please, so
gate.
that the video will go very smoothly. Thank you. I think there is some technical glitch, no issues in that. So because technology always tests us, and especially during this time when everything is happening online, so it gives something or the other, difficulty. But no issues. We'll go to our next segment. So students, as we all know, my lovely audience, as we all know that today we are interacting on the session with possibilities we can have after 12. What possibilities, what career possibilities I can choose after 12. So whenever we enter into this life of this phase of our life, we always get confused, And now we have got the marks, we are more confused that which college we should choose, what course I should go ahead, which course will give me the 100% placement or a better, a life which I want or which I dreamt of. So in order to clear out all your doubts, in order to, help you out in choosing your right career. So today, in today's webinar, we are having three major speakers with us who will be actually guiding you. So let's begin with our first speaker, who is Mr. Yugang Chaturvedi, our sir, our Director General Sir of CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law. Sir has been associated with CPJ from last 9 years now, and his bringing rich experience in academics has really benefited the students in their career growth. His vision towards collaborating the conceptual learning with the practical one has helped the students in inculcating the self-confidence and the zeal to bring change in their life towards better future. So his guidances and his help, his experience in a corporate industry from last 3 decades has helped various student community in getting the right career and best job opportunities. On this note, it's my honor to invite Sir. I request Sir to kindly enlighten us. Yes, Sir. Please. Over to you, Sir.
Yeah, thank you, Miss. First of all, I can feel there are a lot of technical glitches happening today. So, am I audible? First of all, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thanks to you, Ms. Garima, and welcome all the students. And in case there are any parents on the forum, welcome to this webinar organized by CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law, affiliated to IP University, Delhi. Students, as you know, ours is the college which is affiliated with IP University, and of course we are coming out with two verticals which are there in the college. As we call it, as one is the MCIT vertical and the other one is the School of Law vertical. The MCIT vertical, as I said, is that of Management, Commerce and IT, and School of Law is for the BBA, your law basically, which is the BBA LLB and BLLB 5-year integrated courses. Whereas MCIT Management has BBA, BBA CAM, IT has the BCA, and Commerce, of course, is the BCom honors courses. Of course, my faculties from my distinguished faculty would be expressing with you in details after this short address with you, my dear students. After this, they will be speaking to you about in details about the courses, the options, how to go ahead with it, etc., etc. And this is how it is. Very frankly speaking, इसमें कोई दो राय की बात नहीं है बच्चों, that if we are all looking today towards getting admissions in 2021-22 session, first of all, let me share myself in totality with you on the basic fact that students, all of you have really gone through a very tough time in the last 16 to 17 months now. So as a result, I would say that what has really happened is a lot of you would be having a lot of apprehensions. Some students would be under some duress or stress also. Some may be having, as I said, a lot of anxiety issues with you regarding what to join, what not to join. Frankly speaking, the college is organizing and is working upon these webinars. Frankly speaking, my dear students, and I must thank College Dunia also, with whose association we are organizing it. And I must say one thing, that this is basically to give you some kind of a platform wherein you can feel a little bit relieved of the fact that, okay, I've been guided on parameters, and being guided on these parameters, you become a little bit more stronger in taking a firm decision towards where you should be heading to. So this is no two doubts. Certain things you have already written for yourself and your careers. आपने जब 10th का एग्जाम दिया और आपने 11th में चूज किया कि तो उस समय आपने आर्ट्स ह्यूमैनिटीज लिया, या आपने कॉमर्स लिया, या आपने साइंसेज ली, और साइंसेज में आपने मेडिकल लिया या इंजीनियरिंग की साइड लिया, तो वन डिसीजन यू ऑलरेडी मेड, अ वेरी प्राइमर डिसीजन यू ऑलरेडी मेड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. This is like choosing a way which is heading to one destination. आपने एक रास्ता चुन लिया जो कि एक डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ जा रहा है. आज जब आपने 12th क्रॉस किया, तो नेचुरली जिसने ह्यूमैनिटी से लिया, थ्रू आर्ट स्ट्रीम जिसने 11th और 12th किया, you are already made your decision that you would not be a part of what we call medical sciences, or you do not wish to be an engineer or a doctor, an architect, a software person, etc., because you chose the humanities. Somebody who chose commerce also never wanted to be a doctor or an engineer. Maybe, you wanted to be a financial analyst or wish to be into the financial industry, into the stock markets, maybe any kind of analytics into the finance sector. But one thing very important is that certain courses are there which exist for you. आपके लिए बकायदा कुछ कोर्सेज हैं जो कि मौजूद हैं, और जिन कोर्सेज में डेफिनेटली आप ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं, which is the best thing after having chosen any subject. Very frankly speaking, the bus is already gone, if I really come to the right things, because if I talk about the 5 courses that we have, BBA, BBA CAM, BCA, BCom Honors, and the 2 streams of law, BLLB and BBLLB, इन सभी कोर्सेज का एलिजिबिलिटी कंडीशंस का टाइम स्पैन एज सच निकल चुका है. फ्लैट लॉ में वही बच्चा कॉलेज में एडमिशन ले सकता है, आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी में, एंड इन आवर कॉलेज व्हिच इज एन आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज, इन CPJ college you can take admission if you have 50% in your are already out, so you have the result in your hand and you have appeared for CLAT examination. And there is another thing, that which was the last date yesterday, that you have also registered with GGSIP University for the law courses. Of course, IP University का अपना common entrance test अब पिछले 3 साल से नहीं हो रहा है, CLAT के बेसिस पे एडमिशंस रहते हैं, परंतु आपको कल 10 तारीख तक I would say for your information बच्चों, जब यूनिवर्सिटी अभी काउंसलिंग पार्टिसिपेशन स्टार्ट करती है, तो पिछले साल का ये एक्सपीरियंस रहा था कि वो साथ ही साथ रजिस्ट्रेशन को भी लॉ के लिए फिर से एक बारी ओपन अप करती है, नॉट फॉर अदर कोर्सेज बट फॉर लॉ, बिकॉज उस पे उन्होंने नेशनल लेवल टेस्ट के बेसिस पे किया था. So this is one thing which should be kept at the back of your mind, that you have still not lost the bus in totality. Hope still exists for you in case you have not registered for IP University as of yesterday. But in case you have not appeared for CLAT, or if you have not, sat for your examination, you have not secured 50% in your class, everything is gone. So this is what it is for the law. Rest, Ms. Ishmeet Kaur would be speaking more on the law courses. MCID courses, of course, as I said, BA, BBA CAM, you have the CET exams. एक ही CET होता है BBA August, and उसी में जब आप clear qualify कर जाएंगे, it depends that you opt for BBA or BBA CAM. Even you can opt in our college for both the courses, and it depends upon the merit that which one you get. Same is for the BCA. 28th August is the date, and BCom Honors 29th August. Students, I can only say a few things to you. With you, I, as being the Director General of CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law, can only commit you one thing: that if you take a decision to join CPJ College and take your higher studies journey and commence your higher studies journey with CPJ College, trust my words, you would not be making a wrong decision at all. Because whatever that a student may be looking for, एक student के अंदर की जो चाहत होती है, एक इच्छा होती है, वो क्या होती है कि मुझे ये सब कोऑपरेटिव रहे, मुझे एक अच्छा लर्निंग कम से कम इस लेवल का हो कि I feel myself secured and feel myself comfortable in it, etc., etc. I get not just the book knowledge or a book, a holistic development be given to me, which includes an all-round development of personality, which the college does through its Genesis cell, which looks after the training and placement part of the college, and so many other things that we go. And no two doubts about it. I don't want to say it, but believe me, we definitely excel in our motto to impart the right education amongst our students, and not just the book learning, but of course the non-book learning, which is the practical exposure through their visits, through their competitions, through their debatings, through their so many other things, which really results in developing their skills, whether it is the communication skills, or is it the conversational skills, or it is your analytical skills, or it is your other skills, which is the oral skills, very important, which becomes a very important aspect of your complete personality the moment you are a graduate and you move out. Lastly, I would say only one thing that my other speakers would definitely carry forward and make a lot of things more understand to you is your career journey in CPJ College starts with your orientation day, the very first day of yourself in the college. And if you really look at it, the last day in the college is your farewell day. So the college journey is from the orientation day to the farewell day. And believe me, whether it is a 5-year stay in the college in law, or it is a 3-year stay for the non-law courses in BBA, BBA CAM, BCA, or BCom Honors, believe me, every day would be a learning. As we say in CPJ College, learning is an experience here, and you would definitely go through that experience, you will feel that experience. And my only humble feel to you, all my dear students, whosoever is listening to me, and from you, if you are able to make others listen to you, is the fact we with open arms welcome you to join CPJ to make your career, to make yourself a firm person in the field you wish to be something. And this is the CPJ fraternity stands next to you with a committed vow that, of course, we'll see to it that you achieve that. We see to it that you taste the dreams that you have aspired for, and no two doubts that you definitely taste success into whichever field you have chosen yourself for us to be your guides at CPJ. So thank you so much, and look forward to you to be coming to CPJ. Trust me, my dear students, you'd never ever regret, rather would be proud of yourselves being called a CPJ. Thank you so much, and please discuss now.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with the tips that how it is important to choose the right course which lead to a flourishing career and a life ahead. For this audience, if you have any query or doubt, please contact us. And I'm again saying that the details are there in the question and answer and in your chat box. Please save it accordingly. So students, at time we get confused. What should I opt in? In law courses, whether law course is feasible for us or not. So this webinar is specially organized for you, as I said it in the beginning, to clear your doubts and give you a career support. And now we'll be discussing about that, the course which is flourishing nowadays, and we are seeing that more and more student community is opting for BLLB and BBLLB. So what opportunities that particular course will give you? And for this, I am privileged to welcome Ms. Ishmeet Kaur, the professor of CPJ College of Higher Studies in School of Law. She is associated with CPJ more than 3 years now, and she is bringing a rich experiences in litigation of criminal cases. She is handling the CPJ culture of our college and working tremendously towards the students' overall development and in students' cultural skill set. So under her supervision, students has performed tremendously in various inter and intra-cultural programs. So without wasting any time, now I request Ms. Ishmeet Kaur Sodhi to kindly enlighten our student community on the course BLLB and BBLLB, please. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Garima ma'am. Hope I'm perfectly audible.
Yes, you are.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Dear ma'am, I welcome all my dear students in today's webinar, Possibilities Dream in 12th class. So, dear students, as ma'am told, about the landing page you have studied, and हमने अभी देखा है कि college की rankings कहाँ published हैं. So, we will be starting with a good note, and I congratulate to all the students who have appeared in the CLAT exam and got very good score, and now preparing for the counseling process of IP University. So my dear students, pursuing a career in law after 12th class. See, being a part of a legal fraternity after 12th is really a major role, and it's to understand that how much passion you have for your legal career. As a state of the art, if we say that we start our career after 12th, it's very important to understand that after 12th we are going to pursue law. It's a very long journey for 5 years. So what is going to be that, and what is your career, what are the challenges or career opportunities you are going to take? A decision regarding your career is the most important decision, not just for the students, but a parent's life as well. And this is a decision not easy. A career decision is always one who rests toward the left. But exactly are the confusions that the student minds go through. Which stream should I select? What should I go for 5 years integrated course, BLLB or BBLLB? What are the career opportunities after law? What is CLAT 2021? A lot of questions. If there is any scholarship under graduation, then how I should apply? This career counseling webinar will help you to feel ease of the career option, how to select the right stream and career, and to connect one of the top counselors of the college to make the healthy decision as well as to the parents. Why we are choosing law? Do you think it is clear? When I was in 12th, while choosing my career in law, I was very much confused at what I should do. Either I should go for BLLB or BBLLB. Let's have some clearance about the difference between a BLLB and a BBLLB program. What is BLLB and BBLLB? BLLB integrated a law program of undergraduation level, which covers all over the period of 5 years and the courses of admission of arts and law. BBLLB is an undergraduation course which covered during the law program 5 years with the subject in the curriculum of management and business subjects. My dear students, सबसे पहले हमारे दिल में ये आता है कि हम BBA करें या BA करें. To be very honest, the students' subject allocations are changed in first 2 years. Next 3 years are pure law. So there is no career differences or job opportunity difference come if we go for BBLLB or BLLB. Only matter of cases, the students who are from commerce background really prefer to go for the BBLLB to have a good command on their subjects for first 2 years of their graduation. Alright, otherwise it's purely same, opportunities are fully same. The student who is in BBLLB or BBLLB can go for corporate sector, can go for government sector, and many other fields. Alright, the opportunities will be nevertheless. Why to choose BLLB and BBLLB? Diverse career opportunities. High paid salaries in government and private sector. Better job opportunities in both the law sectors and business. Alright, so these things are very much considerable if we go for BBLLB or BLLB. दोनों करियर ऑप्शंस के लिए हमारे पास बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज रहती है, प्राइवेट सेक्टर में भी और पब्लिक सेक्टर। What after BLLB and BBLLB? Judicial officers, government jobs, advocate, research assistant, legal advisors, law professors, bank, everywhere a requirement of advocate is there. So opportunities will be always coming in front of you after completing BLLB or BBLLB. See, I should clear this thing. Sometimes students and parents are confused how to apply for the government job and what is the basic requirement. So its basic is BLLB. Always in government job, if you see, UPSC center conducts a lot of job opportunities for the students of law. Alright, in every field, every sphere, it is mandatory to have that. So for that, BLLB is the mandatory level of education you should have. For further studies, you get more opportunities, but graduation level is basic. So BLLB helps you a lot to have career opportunities in front as compared to BBLLB. Both are same. Don't ever think if I'm going for BBLLB, I can go for the government job or the center application job. It's always there as a career opportunities always lie equal to both of the courses. It's just about the subject and the interest. I hope you have a clarity in this thing about BLLB and BBLLB. Now further moving, we can just see the close learning. So for the better understanding and the allocation, we are going for the BLLB and BBLLB. Students, let me get you very straight and clear. If you're going for the law subjects in future, you should be very clear about legislative, legal and the legal facts. Right? To develop a better understanding and the role in the law for the practice and the legislature, you have to go for a very deep study of all the subjects in 5 years. It will help you to advance and to enhance your knowledge. Right? Next is about the teaching pedagogy or the e-learning. If we see nowadays how we are going to take our classes, how we will initiate our classes. So to students, first thing you're going in the physical mode. It was very easy to compute, but now if you go for the e-learning, we provide a lot of things which are accessible. Virtual courses, virtual internships, virtual placements, workshops, seminars, case analysis, interaction, personal state development, everything. From everything from physical mode to e-learning, we have converted for the feasibility of the students that nothing can be hampered their studies and they can easily study from their phone. Alright, students, now moving on, if we see, you can see virtual court visits are there. We take you to the Honorable Supreme Court and to the Delhi High Court for virtual visits and live hearings, so that the experiences which you can take practically, you can have it through virtual. Students, it's very important to understand that how the things will turn. Now it's virtual course visits always happen, and per semester wise we used to take our students, like you can see in the PPT flashing, the Honorable Supreme Court, Delhi High Court, Vidhan Sabha, Rohini Central Jail, including all the district courts in the Delhi. We used to take you everywhere for better understanding and illusion. See, if we go join an institute, what is the main result? What is the end product? What we will be getting after joining an institute is most important. To do a study is what we have to do, but that is most important. So placement internship is a very important thing. Placement internship is an integral part of a college. If a calendar and a training and a placement cells of CPJ College of School of Law work together, enhancing employability of the law students, constantly providing them an ideal platform of law students to involve the excellence and the prospective lawyer. We have a lot of internship and placement opportunities for students. Have a tie-up with good KPOs and LPOs at Indian corporates, MNCs, and senior advocate of Honorable Court of Delhi. That student can get a numerous and a lot of opportunities to be part and participate, to enhance their career and to get the internship and placement right. So you have to trust the institution, you have to perform well in your 5 years, that after 5 years you can get the trusted job and you can make your career success. A lot of students have a diversity to practice in court or to do further studies, but the people who are seeking for placement internships, college always provide them a good number of chances, depend on the student interest. It will definitely help you to enhance your career in future. As I just mentioned, that placement and internship, what role they majorly play. If you enter an institution, you always you always have expectation that but after 5 years, right? So placement and internship is a very integral part, and which is our college is providing to equal opportunities to all the students. You can see the placement and internship creatives which are displayed in the PPT. How many students are placed? These are the reputed law firms of the Delhi. Internship drives nowadays are conducted online through the Zoom platform, and students are working from home and earning well. From the small step in the COVID also, the students had starting earning by sitting at home. These are all the initiatives which is provided by CPJ College for their students. I hope students you are clear with the doubts. These are the offer letter which is provided by the reputed law firms, LPOs, APOs, companies, MNCs to our students. These are the recruitment logos you can see. So students, at last, I just want to say that if we desire to respect the law, first we make the law respected. This code is set by Louis. As for the last, by concluding the webinar for the law series, I just want to say you that if the student is going to be part of law for 10 years, 3 things they should remember very clearly. Law is never ending, law is changing, law is dynamic. You have to be part of the law stream. To that you have to be very vigilant, and you have to take care about the changing laws to keep your journal knowledge sound and yourself very much active to be part of this fraternity. Competition is lot, so you have to prepare yourself accordingly, and we have to start working accordingly. Prepare as per your interest. If the person have a passion in their person have passion in their career, they can excel from anywhere, anytime, and any field. So, dear students, now your class result is out, and Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University counseling will be starting bids. And our college offers BLLB and BBLB program for 5 years. So, do visit our college Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's open, and we all are free to take any guidance and any counseling. You can call us on our helpline numbers anytime. Thank you so much. Over to you, Garima ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Ishmeet, for sharing the insight on law stream. And she very well said that if you opt law as a profession, you need to be nurtured in a very right manner. And for this, you need to have a very right institution. Students, we ensure that in every event, you get an opportunity to interact with experts from a legal world. Moving to our next segment, before that, there is certain announcements and a certain goodies for all of you. So students, there is an opportunity to increase your pocket money via attempting the interesting quiz which has been organized by our college. So the winners will get rupees 1,000 and 5,000 as their Paytm voucher. So kindly check on the link in the chat box and do attempt the quiz. Most importantly also that, we know that the CLAT result has already been appeared, and, it has already been declared, and the law admissions are going on. But what about BBA, BCA and BCom honors? What about the professional courses? For that, you need to attempt CET examination. And for that CET examination, you need to prepare for CET examination. And our college is offering the free CET coaching. You just need to pay rupees 500, which is the registration amount. With that 500 amount, you'll be able to get all the materials, the prep test, which will be there. Not only that, the mock test, which will be held. So for this, you just need to register yourself through that link. And most importantly, as we know that the CET dates has already been declared, and in 28th and 29th August, you'll be having your CET examination. And the eligibility criteria, the 12th marks has already come up. So even the 95% student is also fighting for this examination, and even the 50% of the student is also fighting for this examination. So everyone is equal as per the eligibility criteria. So the only thing is that you need to clear CET with flying colors, and it will only happen when you actually experience it. You actually have a real-time experience कि किस तरीके से CBT exam होगा, computer-based exam होगा. And for that, there's a small initiative which our college is, starting up, that on 17th August 2021, we'll be having our mock test, and that too free of cost. The students who are interested in the community, student community, and the attendees who are listening it to me, this particular test will give you a real-time experience and will also able to help you out in analyzing your psychological part, that while attempting paper where I am lacking psychologically, whether I'm thinking something else while attempting the paper or not. They will also look at your intellect level, whether you are able to perform it accordingly. आपकी performance किस area में weak है. Not only that, that particular mock test will help you about the time management skill. क्या मैं एक question में अटक गया हूँ इतना ज़्यादा कि मैं बाकी questions छोड़ रहा हूँ? I need to check on these things. And it will not happen when, I'm sitting at my comfort place and, typing, and my mother is calling me or my friend is calling me. I'm taking up their phones and I'm chilling. It will happen when I actually experience all these things. So everything will be there in our college, with looking at these, social distancing and norms, which is important for during the COVID time. We are following everything. Just you need to come and attempt your examination so that you can able to understand where you are lacking and you can perform well. So these were the certain announcements, and the links of all these things are there on your chat box. Please do click on that link. If it is the link is not able, you are not able to click that link, copy and paste it so that you can keep it for your further reference. So moving ahead, like our Mr. Schmidt has already briefed us about law, and in our college, wherein we are actually focusing, and we believe that our future lawyers play a very important role in bringing something worth to our country. So we ensure that they should get a best practical exposure. And in every year we organize a law festival naming Louis Fiesta on various topics which is important, on various laws which plays a very vital role in your practical learning, be it international humanitarian law which was there, and be it the family laws which we addressed in it today. That national level national law festival, the students from Pan India, be it Chennai University, Christ University from Bangalore, the students participate in these in this particular festival, which is of 2 days. And we have this happened virtually this year, wherein students able to understand what is the feel of addressing through moot courts. They can able to understand that how the client counseling need to be done through client counseling competition. They're able to understand the legal writing, the national conferences which is there, wherein the research papers and the studies from various fields are being taken by the research scholars. So with that note, let's have a small video on Louis Fiesta Law Festival by our technical team. I request Ms. Bhumika to kindly share the glimpses of Law Festival with all our student community, please. I guess there is some technical glitch from our technical team. No issues. You can see that particular Louis Fiesta video on our Facebook and Instagram page also. and wherein you can actually go on a live and you can see that whole webinars, whole the national the Louis Festa festival which happens.
The video is playing properly. There might be the technical glitch from your end. Do I have?
Ms. Garima, let's bring it forward, please. Let's.
Yeah, surely, sir, surely. So, students, where you can actually see various webinars and various more webinars and a lot of other activities through our Facebook and Instagram page also. So, moving ahead, now we'll come to our next speaker who will be actually guiding us on how to what are the opportunities one student can get after pursuing BBA, BCA and BCom honors. So now it's my immense opportunity to welcome Ms. Isha Goyal, the professor of CPJ College. Ma'am is associated with CPJ from last 5 years now, and her strong hold in management commerce subjects had made a strong base for all MCIT students. Also, her teaching pedagogy has helped various students in enhancing their knowledge, especially in the finance stream. She is presently associated with Placement Cell of Management, IT and Commerce, and her whole team ensure the maximum placements and internships in our college. So she has always, guided us in various fields, be it placement, be it in teaching pedagogy, be it in webinars. She is a very strong pillar of, management, commerce and IT department. So on this note, I request Ms. Isha Goyal to kindly address our student community that what is there if they opt for BBA, BCA and BCom honors. Over to you, ma'am. Kindly unmute yourself. Isha ma'am, kindly unmute yourself.
I'm really sorry. Thank you, Garima ma'am, and good afternoon, students and parents. I, Isha Goyal, welcome you here for the career counseling webinar and what the student should do after class 12. As Yugang sir and Ms. Ishmeet already briefed that we are running in two verticals, MCIT and law. So law is already taken care by ma'am, and MCIT we say it for management, commerce and IT. And for management we have BBA, for IT we have BCA, and commerce we have BCom. So we have one more subject which is called as BBA CAMP. You can say it is a combination of management and IT. So we will discuss it one by one. So what are these subjects? As you know that you already filled the forms. So if a student is interested in BBA, BCom, BCA, might be a student has filled all the forms. Understand what a student or what an aspirant should do as per the interest and as per the job option in the market. Just have a look. So the career decision is the most important decision. It's not in the life of the student only, but as well as in the parent's life. This is very true because a right career selection will give that person the right job, the right career. So that will impact the overall life of the parent, or overall life of the family also. So which course should I select? ये एक बहुत important है कि should I go for the traditional course like BCom or I should go for the professional degree like BBA or something else. So what should I take up? So we will start with the BBA. BBA is the Bachelor's of Business Administration. It's a 6-semester program divided into 6 semesters, and many of the students opt BBA after class 12. Why? Because there is an important reason behind it. There are more job avenues after doing BBA. There will be multiple job opportunities once you do BBA. So BBA करने से आपको बहुत सारी ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं या ओपन avenues हो सकते हैं. आप ये कह सकते हैं कि बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स हैं जिनके लिए आपके जो है वो रास्ते खुल जाएंगे या आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सेक्टर्स के ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. तो इसीलिए आपके लिए BBA बहुत एक इम्पॉर्टेंट और ज़रूरी है जानना, जिसके लिए आप आगे फर्दर परस्यू कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली BBA is? इट्स अ 3 year प्रोग्राम और सबसे अच्छा ये है कि इसमें कोई भी बच्चा आ सकता है, ईदर द पर्सन इज फ्रॉम आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स, साइंस। इसमें स्ट्रीम की कोई बाउंडेशन नहीं है। एज पर आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी किसी भी स्ट्रीम का बच्चा इसमें एंटर कर सकता है, साइंस, आर्ट्स और कॉमर्स। इसमें हम आपको ओवरऑल नॉलेज आपकी इंक्रीज कराने की कोशिश करते हैं एंड देयर इज मोर ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट एंड लीडरशिप स्किल्स टू प्रिपेयर द कैंडिडेट फॉर द कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ, कि किस तरीके की आगे आपकी जॉब में लाइफ होगी, उसके लिए आपको रेडी कराया जाता है बाय प्रोवाइडिंग यू डिफरेंट वेबिनार्स, by many of the mock interview session, group discussions. So you will be actually enter into the real corporate life situation. तो हम उसको आपके लिए एक ऐसी situations create करेंगे जिससे कि आपको really experience हो सके कि how to deal with those situations. BBA में what are the career BBA CAM हम पहले थोड़ा सा understand कर लेते हैं कि what exactly the BBA CAM and what is the difference in BBA and BBA CAM. It's a 3 year degree program only provided by 2 colleges of IP University, including us. The aspirant who are interested for management and IT, both the fields, they people should go for BBA CAM. जिनको IT भी अच्छा लगता है और जिनको मैनेजमेंट में भी करियर बनाना है, उनको BBA CAM की तरफ जाना चाहिए। So उसमें आप खुद ही समझ सकते हैं कि IT is a booming sector nowadays, है ना? IT बहुत ज़्यादा booming sector है और IT में बहुत सारी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, है ना? तो इसीलिए जो बच्चे को मैनेजमेंट भी आ गया और आईटी भी आ गया, तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू कैन बिकम द मैनेजर ऑफ आईटी कंपनी। सो यू विल बी हैविंग मोर एवेन्यूज। आपको आईटी सेक्टर्स में भी जा सकते हैं, मैनेजमेंट में भी जा सकते हैं, या कुछ ऐसी कंबाइंड जॉब हो जिसमें आईटी प्लस मैनेजमेंट प्लस हो, तो उसमें आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल रहेगा। देखते हैं अभी कुछ उसके लिए हम आपको प्रोफाइल्स दिखाते हैं जहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी आएगी। See some of the options after doing BBA. As I already told you that after BBA you have the open avenues. बहुत सारे options आपके लिए खुल जाते हैं। So you can go for a marketing organization, you can go for a advertising and PR kind of job, which is very challenging और बहुत interesting होती है। आप ह्यूमन रिसोर्स की जॉब के लिए जा सकते हैं, बैंक्स की ऑप्शन आपके लिए ओपन रहेंगे, इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर इज ओपन फॉर यू, स्टॉक मार्केट, शेयर मार्केट आपका जो ऑप्शंस हैं जहाँ पे आप स्टॉक रीडर बन सकते हैं या रिसर्चर बन सकते हैं, और आपके अंदर स्किल्स आ जाएंगे तो आप अपना बिजनेस जो है उसको एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं, और यू कैन कम इनटू अ न्यू वेंचर्स। इंटरनेशनल करियर्स हैं, एमएनसीज में आपको जॉब मिल सकती है, सेल्स में जा सकते हैं, और डेफिनेटली इन दी आईटी सेक्टर। तो बीबीए कैम के बाद आपके साथ आईटी सेक्टर के ऑप्शंस ज़्यादा ओपन अप हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज आपको आईटी की काफ़ी इन डेप्थ नॉलेज हो जाएगी। देन आफ्टर वी हैव BCom. So what is it exactly? I always say that it is a tried and tested course. कई लोग कहते हैं कि ये ट्रेडिशनल डिग्री है, बट अगर आप किसी भी कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी में जाएंगे तो आपको हर जगह BCom मिल जाएगा, है ना? एवरीवेयर यू विल गेट द BCom कोर्स। सो मतलब किसको करना चाहिए, क्या डिफरेंस है BBA और BCom में? आई थिंक द पर्सन इज वेरी गुड विद द नंबर्स, है ना, और जिसको फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर में इंटरेस्ट है, द कैंडिडेट हु इज इंटरेस्टेड टू बिल्ड हिज करियर इन फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर विच इज वेरी बूमिंग नाउअडेज, तो उसमें अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है तो आपको फिर BCom ऑप्ट करना चाहिए। सो BCom में देखते हैं व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज। इट्स again the 3 year undergraduate professional degree divided into 6 semesters, and the focus is on accounting, taxation, economic, finance and management like subjects. ऐसे इन वाले सब्जेक्ट्स पे ज़्यादा एम्फेसिस दिया जाएगा और इनकी प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन आपको समझाई जाएगी, जिससे कि आप इन पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर्स में अपना करियर डेवलप कर सकें। सो व्हाई यू शुड डू BCom फ्रॉम CPJ कॉलेज? बिकॉज एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, इट्स अ ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड कोर्स, हर जगह मिलेगा आपको, हर यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज में मिलेगा। तो CPJ से करने से आपको क्या फ़ायदा होगा? सो व्हाट इज़ आर USP? वी फोकस ऑन प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर मोड। थ्योरी तो आपको कराएंगे, बट उसके साथ आपको प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर बहुत ज़्यादा कराया जाएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर दिया जाएगा, इंडस्ट्री विजिट्स कराई जाएंगी, ग्रुप डिस्कशन सेशंस होंगे आपके, हम आपको रोल कराएंगे, सिमुलेशन टेक्निक कराएंगे, जिससे कि आपको पता चले कि रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन में आपको उस पर कैसे रिएक्ट करना है। तो ये आपको एक एडेड एडवांटेज मिल रहा है। यहाँ पे PDP प्रोग्राम्स हैं, वर्कशॉप्स हैं, सेमिनार्स हैं, जैसे अभी हम वेबिनार कर रहे हैं, है ना, तो इसी तरीके से आपके होते रहेंगे सेमिनार और वेबिनार्स। देन इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपोजर बहुत हाई है हमारे यहाँ। एवरी सेमेस्टर यू विल गो फॉर द इंडस्ट्री विजिट्स, with Parle, Mother Dairy, Coca-Cola, and many of the brands associated with us. Strong career base for financial sector. If a person want to go for CA, CS, CFA, any financial sector kind of profile, then BCom always work as a strong foundation. As already discussed, these are the core subjects जिन पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा emphasis दिया जाएगा: taxation, GST, accounting, economics and law. और there are multiple career opportunities. अब देख लेते हैं what are the career opportunities for a BCom graduate. Just have a look. These are the career path. You can go for the financial sector, CA, CS, CFA जो हम discuss कर चुके हैं. जो further studies में जाना चाहते हैं वो MBA, MCom भी कर सकते हैं. But what are the career profiles which are written on the right side, which are financial risk manager, financial modeling, investment banking and certified financial planner? ये क्या होते हैं? ये subjects हम BCom में already पढ़ते हैं, है ना? As a subject हमने पढ़ा, उसकी हमें in depth knowledge already हो गई. उसमें आप एक सर्टिफिकेशन ले लीजिए, कुछ वीक्स की सर्टिफिकेट ट्रेनिंग होती है, इस पे 6 to 12 वीक्स की ट्रेनिंग होती है, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग, जिसके बाद आप प्रोफिशिएंट फाइनेंशियल रिस्क मैनेजर या फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर बन जाएंगे और उससे आपको एडिशनल बेनिफिट होंगे. क्या बेनिफिट होंगे? आपका पैकेज थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हाई होगा इन कंपैरिजन टू ग्रेजुएट. सो अगर आप इसके साथ ये शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्स में भी एंटर हैं तो दैट विल गिव यू एडेड एडवांटेज. So now we'll move to the last course which we have, that is Bachelor of Computer Application. So what the BCA is and who should do the BCA? Any person who want to pursue his or her career in computers, as IT booming sector है, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, languages learn करनी है, coding करनी है, तो उन सब लोगों को जिनको IT सेक्टर में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है वो इस पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर के लिए ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. It's again into 3 years 6 semesters एंड इस डिग्री को हम थोड़ा सा बीटेक और BE के जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं एट पार मान सकते हैं, बिकॉज जो कंप्यूटर साइंस बीटेक कंप्यूटर साइंस होते हैं उनको भी ऑलमोस्ट पढ़ाया जाता है. सो व्हाट आर द करियर ऑप्शंस आफ्टर BCA? Just a minute. Just a minute. There are so many career options. You can be a financial, you can be a web developer. My slides are sharing. Just wait a minute.
Yes, Ms. Isha, the slides are very much there.
Thank you, sir. So these are the opportunities: financial system engineer, programmer, web developer, system administrator. ये कुछ profiles हैं जो आप opt कर सकते हैं after BCA. Then next is as per the MDRA India Today survey, we are first among the top BCA colleges in Delhi. So this is proud to share here. And the most important section is teaching pedagogy. So we are actually not teaching only through the theoretical methods. We go with the workshop, webinars, जो हम already discuss कर चुके हैं, and case study, interactive sessions जिसमें बच्चों को the student get the complete opportunity to speak up on the stage, debate competition, quizzes. So ये regular basis पे हम conduct करते रहते हैं. But यहाँ पे जो share करना है वो ये है कि in last 1 year in the COVID scenario, even we have conducted all these activities in online mode. So just have some glimpses of that. We have some glimpses at the day. These are some of the prominent recruiters हमारे साथ जो associated हैं बहुत लंबे टाइम से: Concentric, Genpact, Godrej, BT, Amazon. जो every time they visited our campus and placed our students. So इनकी अभी हमने online drives भी कराई हैं last semesters में, जिसमें हमारे students place हुए हैं. some of the flag bearer of CPJ, the students who are affiliated with the companies like Wipro, BCG, HCL, IBM, and some more alumni are there who are associated with the good brands. You can see the students are placed in Genpact, Infosys, Amazon, Google. So these are our students who are placed, or you can check all the details from our landing page also. Some of the online drives जो हमने किए हैं, placement drive, उसको आप देख सकते हैं. These are 2-3 drives जिनकी हमने आपको दिखाई glimpses. You can have the complete detail on our website if you want to check. These are the offer letters of some companies for just to show you. Tech Mahindra, तो आप देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से हमारे students are placed. We have 100% placements, and thank you so much for this session. And जिसको if you have any problems, any doubts, you can visit CPJ College anytime. There are admission counselor, career counseling cell is there. तो अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है, आप कभी भी CPJ कॉलेज विजिट कर सकते हैं, Sunday to Monday 10 to 5, and our helpline number and email IDs are given in the chat box. Thank you. Over to you, Garima ma'am.
Thank you, Isha ma'am, for enlightening our student audience regarding the courses of BBA, BCA, and BCom honors. Students, as you know, our college is affiliated to IP University, and IP University is a state university. So it happened when wherein our Chief Minister, our ex-Chief Minister, Ms. Sheila Dikshit ji, came up with this idea because when we talk about Delhi University, when we talk about Jamia Millia Islamia, JNU, these are the central universities जहाँ से देश भर से बच्चे के पास opportunity होती है कि वो आए और admission ले. So और दिल्ली का जो बच्चा होता है वो नहीं, मतलब उसको admission नहीं मिलता था दिल्ली में. So to make it possible for Delhi students that they can also stay at their home place and actually study for easily, and they can stay with their parents और उन्हें अपनी state से दूर नहीं जाना पड़े, उसके लिए IP University का inauguration किया गया, and it started wherein with this motto. So for this and to get into the IP University, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, it is very, very important that you people need to clear your entrance examinations for BBA, BCA, and BBA CAM, BCom honors. And for law, you need to be a CLAT pass. So ये बहुत important criteria हैं to be in IP University. And with this, as Ms. Isha has very rightly said, that being an upcoming managers, and in order to become successful manager, it is very important for all of you to have a very strong foundation, to choose a right institution. As I always say that जिस institution में आप जाएंगे वो आपका base create करेंगे. So ये बहुत important है कि आप बहुत rightly और बहुत wisely, and after looking at everything, you should take your decision of choosing the institution. So as I always say in my lot of webinars and interviews also, that in CPJ College is always believe in providing the holistic development for our students, and for this we ensure that no stones should be unturned, as our mission is to work for the young minds so that they can able to build a better future of our country, from providing the best infrastructure, which you can see in 360-degree view. And our speakers have already said it, that you can visit our college Monday to Sunday 10 to 5 and actually see the feel, and you can able to connect with the college, the way the infrastructure is being the whole infrastructure which is being created, looking at the students' mindset, to a best quality training which we provide to our students in every semester. And the ranks and the awards which is being mentioned is already being is a proof that we are doing a great job in the educational institution. And CPJ hard work and efforts which they are doing it for the transformation of young minds for better future of our country, because we believe that you are the future of our country, and if we'll nurture you in a proper manner, if we'll imbibe a certain skill set or certain intellect in you, the values which is important for making our country from developing to developed one, if we if you provide you a base in an appropriate manner, then we can create wonders in our country. So moving ahead now, it's time for the unique opportunities at CPJ. As I always say that, I understand that today's youth is very vulnerable and they decide it on their own. They don't listen what we are saying and what is there. They have their own mindset of looking things. So I'm not saying it that, you should choose CPJ College, but it is very important to be aware about it. So we'll be telling you about what are the, unique opportunities which CPJ College is providing to our student community. So let's have a look on that. The first and the foremost thing is that we provide meritorious scholarships to our students. So and the result is out now. So whatever the hard work you have pitched in this 12th, your class, जितना भी आपने मेहनत और जितनी भी आपने hard work किया है during this, school journey of yours in your 11th and 12th, now it has been paid by the school has given you the marks and the percentage has come up. So on the basis of that, our college is also providing you the meritorious scholarship, because our college always believe in appreciating the talent and appreciating the hard work of the students. And for that, we have a medium that once you'll be entering into a college, taking the admission, you'll be getting the scholarship on the basis of your 12th percentage. So you can avail this particular opportunity, but it can be only done once you'll be visiting us and you'll be, getting the information related to it. So jitna bhi aapne hard work kiya hai, there is your hard work is being appreciated and rewarded by our college. The second is that we provide series of career counseling webinars, and we'll ensure that, you should also get the link of the upcoming webinars, which is especially for the CET community, CET students who is opting for BBA, BCA and BCom honors. उनके लिए एक specific webinar होगा जिसके अंदर there will be a proper guidances and tricks and tips will be giving it to you how to crack CET from the IMS speakers. So the speakers from IMS will be coming and they'll be helping you out in these areas. The next is very important, very very important. अब तो हमें पता चल गया, the war has been declared and by IP University that these are the dates of CET. So examination date is being fixed up. So it will not be changed. The only thing which we need to do is we need to concentrate on, how we can able to clear CET with flying colors. And it will only happen when you will be getting a proper guidances. Because, once in the war, the soldiers will only win that war when they will be giving a proper guidance. The commander will be strong enough to guide it. So the CPJ College has started up with a very small initiative of providing a CET coaching to all 12 students. It's been there, and the link of registration is already there on the chat box, students. आप उस link पे जाकर अपने आप को register कर सकते हैं. And the CET coaching, which is being given by our expert faculties, is free of cost. The rupees 500 which you need to pay is for the study material which you will be providing, which we'll be providing it to you and in the form of e-notes, PPTs. Most importantly, the prep test which is there. Because you all of you know about it that CET is the objective type questions. तो जितना आपका वो objective type questions को attempt करने का base strong होगा, उतने ही आप ज़्यादा आसानी से CET को अच्छे rank से clear कर सकते हैं. Because the only thing which is important is the CET rank. So this is very, very important that you need to go ahead. And the most important thing is CET mock test, which is there on the 17th August 2021. From 10 a.m. onwards, the examination will start and it will be of 2.5 hours, CBT based. सब कुछ उसी तरीके से होगा जिस तरीके से तुम एक्चुअली में 28th और 29th अगस्त को पेपर अटेम्प्ट करने जाओगे. So this is something which is very important and you should come and attempt it so that you can able to understand that how you are going ahead, how you'll be what psychological analysis, performance analysis, time management analysis, everything will be taken care during that period of time. So it is very very important that you should attempt it. जब भी हम कोई कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्ट लेते हैं तो ड्रेस रिहर्सल्स होती है ना उससे पहले, वो इसलिए होती हैं. द ट्रायल रन्स हैपन बिफोर द इवेंट सो दैट once you'll be actually playing that part in the event, there should be no goof ups and there should be no a rejection kind of a thing, or there should be no sadness that kash hum ye kar lete. So wo kash ko overcome karne ke liye please do attempt your CET mock test. The next is you'll be getting a regular updates from GGS IPO admissions, and if you have any doubts, still ma'am, we are having a doubt on these courses, please visit our college. There is one-on-one online counseling by our experts. You can contact us personally also, and there will be a Zoom call with you or telephonic call with you regarding your doubts. This is our CPJ clubs. We believe that we understand that these things everything is going on, and everybody is very much stick to these admission processes, and life is going very monotonous. To make it more happy and creative, the college is organizing a lot of online competitions. We are recently started up with another competition of photography, which is based on the theme happiness. So the link is there, and today is the last date of registration. So you can register yourself and send it your lovely photographs that which thing makes you happy, or which scene or which aspect of your life which is presently happening is making you happy. You can share those pictures with us, and the best photograph will get a reward prize of 1,000, and the second runner-up will get 500 Paytm vouchers. So the most important thing, and especially for the CLAT stream students, that our college is offering an opportunity to come and you can visit our college and you can avail the admission against limited seats. So this is a very strong opportunity for all student community, because for law you have already get a CLAT score, and you have that now is the time agar aap college ke now is the time you need to select a right college. So don't wait, I'll look into the counseling processes and then I can come, because once you are having the opportunity to come and directly visit our college and get the information that how I can avail this opportunity against limited seats, so please come and visit it, because you'll be getting a lot of other things. You can able to see it, and there will be a lot of comfort for you, clearing the counseling processes and everything once you'll be going in. But make sure that, having very limited seats. For CET, for BBA, BCA and BCom honors course, it is very, very important that, you can visit our college, see our college and avail this particular opportunity of taking the admission against limited seats, wherein we'll ensure you that we understand that CET examination aisa hai which is very unpredictable, and you might be a great scorer, but during that, once you'll be giving the exam during that day, the day is not related to you and you have not scored well. But because of that, there is a small initiative which is our college is being created, that we have kept certain seats for those students, right? And for the students who are actually willing to come to us, but they are due to some reason they are not able to score good in CET, or due to some reason or the other they are not able to be in the counseling process, whatsoever the reason is, everything will be taken care during our team and our counseling and our admission team. But the only thing is the initiative which you need to come with, that you need to come with the documents and enroll yourself. Rest everything will be taken care by all of us. And last slide is, which is important and which is a very crucial slide, the dates of CET examination. As we know that BCA will happen on 28th August 2021 on the third shift, that is from 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. The BBA will take place on 29th August and on first and the second shift, which first shift is from 8 a.m. to 10:30 and the second shift is from 12:30 to 3 p.m. And the BCom honors CET will take place in the third shift, that is 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. The students, please, before that examination, please come on 17th August, attempt your examination so that जिस दिन आपका एग्जाम है उस दिन आप क्लियर रहो कि अच्छा this is the process and I'm actually aware about it and I'm providing and thanks to CPJ College that it has given me an initiative so that I'll be not confused, I'll be not fearful of attempting the examination. And in the end, as our speakers has already said it, and we mean it in every possible way, that CPJ is standing united with all our student community who was actually working very hard for the for creating their future and for bringing the best possible creative skill set for them. And it is very, very important, students, that you should work very hard, but you should not be disheartened during that particular educational or the learning phase of your life. So now we have come up to the end, and as I already said it, that we have links on our chat box. Please do save it. We have numbers on our chat box. Please do save it for your future reference. Whatsoever issues or doubts you have, you can visit our college. Even we can give you a feedback call, and we can ask you if you have anything you want to ask to us. Please let us know. The only thing is that remember that students, you get a mix of knowledge, learning, and fun in CPJ College, as we ensure a perfect blend of creativity and intellect in our college. And our college is open for all of you during this admission processes from Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please visit us if you have any doubt. Don't wait for the right time, because the right time is only when you have decided that you want to go ahead. Otherwise, you'll think that, gosh, I wish I can go and take an admission over there. So wish nahi hogi until and unless you work very hard. So moving ahead, thank you so much for your valuable time, and I'll be closing my lines that don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind, but be led by the dreams in your heart. So don't be pushed by your fear, but please focus your efforts, energies into what is important for your action towards your better future and better career. Thank you so much for your valuable time, and thank you, my lovely speakers, for being with us. And thank you, College Dunia, for this initiative. Hope to see you, the maximum student community in our college, for the admission-related issues, processes, whatsoever doubt you have, kindly contact us. You can also look at our Facebook page, your Instagram page, and our website, which is www.cpj.edu.in. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a nice evening ahead. Thank you. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay vaccinated. Thank you so much.